Are you dealing with a brand new LG refrigerator and the door alarm won't stop? The interior light won't turn off? Or is the dispenser not working correctly? Were the doors removed during delivery or installation? If this is the case, you might be dealing with unplugged wires under the door hinge cover. This is a quick and easy fix. For this repair, you will need a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, a stepladder, safety gloves, and safety glasses. And be sure to remove the power from the unit by either unplugging the unit or turning off the breaker. The hinge cover is held on by 1 Phillips head screw and 2 clips that grab onto the hinge assembly. Remove this screw by turning it counterclockwise and lift up on the cover to disengage the clips on the hinge cover. Be careful when removing the cover to avoid damaging a wire or another part. There are 3 crucial wire connections under this cover, and all 3 need to be connected for the unit to work correctly. 2 connect to the door itself, and 1 connects to the magnetic door switch, which is located on the underside of the hinge cover. Be sure to inspect all the pins in the wire connectors, and be careful when reconnecting as to not damage any of the pins. Once you've ensured all the wires are connected properly and securely, tuck the wires back into place to avoid pinching any wires and replace the hinge cover back to its original position. Ensuring the clips grab the hinge properly and then secure it with a screw. Now test the dispenser. And test the door switches. Use a magnet to test the switches. I'm Christopher Sharon, and I'm a trainer at LG.